Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import invoices from an Excel CSV file into QuickBooks Online Advanced Plus Essentials or Start. If you need to bring invoice data into QuickBooks quickly and accurately, using a CSV file is a simple and efficient option. This method can be especially helpful if you have a large number of invoices to add and want to avoid manually creating each invoice one by one. Importing through a CSV file can save time, while also helping you keep your accounting records organized. Before you begin the import process, the most important thing is making sure your spreadsheet is properly prepared. Your Excel spreadsheet needs to be saved as a CSV file, since that is the format QuickBooks uses for this type of import. When you set up your file, make sure it includes the required columns. The mandatory fields are invoice number, customer, invoice date, due date, item name, and item amount. These columns give QuickBooks the key information it needs to create each invoice correctly. Each column should contain accurate information that matches the way you normally create invoices in QuickBooks. For example, make sure customer names match existing customer records whenever possible, because this helps QuickBooks connect the imported invoices to the correct accounts. It's a good idea to double-check your formatting before uploading, especially date fields and amounts, so the import goes smoothly and you avoid errors later. Small formatting issues, such as incorrect date formats, missing customer names, or improperly entered amounts, can prevent invoices from importing correctly. Reviewing your spreadsheet before starting the upload can save you time troubleshooting later. Once your CSV file is ready, sign into QuickBooks Online and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon to open the menu. From there, select Import Data. This section is where QuickBooks lets you bring in different types of records from external files. The Import Data area is useful when you need to move information from another system, spreadsheet, or accounting platform into QuickBooks without entering everything manually. Next, choose Invoices from the list of available import options. After that, click Import to begin the process. You'll then be prompted to select your file, so locate the CSV file you prepared earlier and upload it into QuickBooks. After the upload, QuickBooks will ask you to map the fields. This step is very important because it tells the system which column in your CSV matches each invoice field in QuickBooks. For example, you'll match your invoice number column to the invoice number field, your customer column to the customer field, and so on. Take your time here and make sure each field is connected properly. Field mapping is one of the most important parts of the import process. If a column is connected to the wrong field, QuickBooks may create invoices with missing details or incorrect information. Accurate mapping helps prevent missing information and ensures your invoices are imported exactly as expected. Once the mapping is complete, review everything one last time and continue. Before completing the import, it is a good idea to check that the preview information looks correct. Confirm that invoice numbers, customers, dates, and amounts are being recognized properly. QuickBooks will process the file and import your invoices. After that, your invoice data should be available in your QuickBooks account. You can then review the imported invoices, make any necessary adjustments, and continue managing them as part of your normal workflow. As a final tip, if something doesn't look right after the import, go back and check the CSV formatting and field mapping first, since those are usually the most common causes of issues. If you regularly import invoices, creating a consistent CSV template can make future uploads much easier. Keeping the same column structure each time reduces errors and speeds up the process. With the file prepared correctly and the fields mapped properly, importing invoices into QuickBooks Online can be a fast and reliable part of your workflow.